Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to make a magic ring, and I'm going to show you the most fast and easy way that I always do. Wrap the yarn around your finger like this. There's an X in your hand. Snap this X and let go. Now you have a circle in your hand like that. Use the hook, insert to the circle, grab the yarn out, and then chain one like this. And this is your magic ring. You can pull this little tail here to adjust the size to make it smaller, and you also can make it bigger. But it also depends on how long you left the tail for. The longer the tail you left there, the bigger the circle it can go. Look, see? If I keep pulling, the short end is getting shorter. So I'm going to make it smaller now by pulling this short end right here, because I don't need that big of the magic ring. Now I'm going to show you how to make that 6 single crochet into the magic ring. This is how we do it. Insert a hook into your magic ring, wrap around the yarn, grab it through the circle. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, wrap around the yarn again, pull through both loops. Just like that. Again, make another single crochet. We're going to make 6. This is number 2, 3. Of course, you can use your finger to help you a little bit to secure this part so you will not over pulling it. This is how I do mine. Now you have 6 single crochet here, and I'm going to pull this little tail here to close the circle. And this is also the most common way to start an amigurumi project. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. For more tutorial, you're welcome to check out my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.